how to remix Reels on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our Reel page on Instagram, which is right here. So we just have to click on that. And if we want to remix the Reels that we have right now, all we have to do is to click on these three dots right here and click on this button that says Remix. Now we are able to edit this reel right now by adding some sticker right through it, text or audios that we want. We can also record another clip or another video that we can add to this certain reel, or we can make a sequence like that. After this reel has been played, we are able to add up another clip for this reel to be able to be extended. So all we have to do is to edit this reel personally. So we can add music, we can add text, add another sequence, and stickers right here. We say there. After that, we just have to hit on next. And we just have to share this to our feed. So that's how to remix Reels on Instagram. Hope we help.